Welcome to AmberArdenTV, and today we're going to be making sushi, but not any sushi, candy sushi. What? Hello.
Amber, what do you think we're doing today?
I have no idea, but I love to collect tasty treats around my house. I just love cute things that I collect over the years that remind me of dessert.
Do you like desserts?
I do.
What if I told you we're going to be making some little tasty treat today?
That sounds awesome.
What do you think it could be?
I don't know, maybe a cupcake or pie?
Okay, so I'm just going to put it in front of you. Keep your eyes closed. Open your eyes.
Popin Cookin? We're gonna make some sushi. This is so adorable. This is candy. Oh, DIY for kids. I love it. Oh my gosh, there's sushi candy. My two favorite things, sushi and candy together, is amazing. And I am so happy I get to do this today. All right, let's open this up. If I can open it. Popin Cookin. Oh, okay, so it looks like we have this cute little pouch with these little kawaii sushi. All right, so first, it looks like we have the rice candy powder. We have the salmon roe candy powder. Tuna candy powder. And this one is omelet. Oh, that's so cool. And the sauce. Wow, I never done this before. I'm actually quite excited. It reminds me of Easy Bake Oven, but sushi. What is this? A little chewy chew? Woo, super excited. Welcome to Amber's Sushi Restaurant. Look how my candy sushi. Yummy, yummy sushi. It's candy sushi. You can't get this anywhere but here. No, I'm just kidding. So first we're gonna fill the oval depression here with water, then add powder from the blue packet. I think it's this one, there's two, that's teal. Okay, this is blue. Okay, so this is gonna go in there. And then stir until thick, like cooked rice. So let's do that. Do this carefully. All right. This is quite new to me. So guys, so I am mixing this till it's nice and thick, like cooked rice. Yummy! Guys, this smells so good. It smells like bubble gum. Bubble gum! Okay, so we're gonna add water to the spiral section here. Hold on. This one. It's this one. You guys see this? Because this is for the omelet. We're making the omelet, guys. The candy omelet. Oh. Candy omelet. So there we go. So now we're gonna add the yellow packet. I might have put a little too much water. I don't think so. So wish me luck, because I want this to look like the box. Mix it up. Mix it up. I too much water. But sometimes in life, you just try your best, and I think I'm gonna cut this so I could take some of the water out. Okay.
It's way too much.
It's too much water. Oh wait, oh no, it says wait, guys, wait. No, it says wait 3 minutes. Retarded. Whew. Okay, guys, it needs to wait 3 minutes to firm. Thank God, because I thought I failed miserably. It smells like mango. Mango. 1, 2, 3. I'm just kidding. All right, so 3. We're gonna make the tuna. Tuna, but it's not any old tuna. Candy tuna. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh, guys, guess what it smells like? Oh, no, not right now, Instagram. I'm filming a video. Guys, it smells, can you guess? Strawberry. So here I go. Oh, make sure I just get into that compartment. Oh. All right, and this is the strawberry candy. That is the tuna. we're supposed to mix it up. All right, so we're gonna let that sit 3 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna do the dry seaweed. All right, make the dried seaweed. Spread out the black candy to match the shape, size of the packing pouch. Okay, size of the packing pouch. Oh, guys, look, I just figured this out. Here is the packing pouch. Opening that pouch, here we go. Ooh, you know what it smells like? Grape. I love this. I'm probably gonna be ordering a bunch of this. So I made mine a little more wider. Watch out, Curious Creations of Christine McConnell. Amber, coming your way, doing kawaii treats. And snacks. All right, so that looks cute. Okay, so make salmon roe. Add water up to the lines on both sides. A and B. 2 salmon roes in a row. Salmon roe, yum yum. Here it goes in the compartment A. Oh, I see what's happening. So we're mixing both compartments, do you see? Separately. Mix well. Use dropper. Slowly add mixture B to A. So we're gonna slowly take this squeezy squeeze and put it to B to A. Look, do you see what's happening? They're becoming the eggs. That's so awesome. I am like smitten beyond belief. Look at that. This is so cool. Gotta get my ducks in a row. Row, row, row your boat. Candy sushi. Hee, 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 hee. Candy, candy, candy. Ooh, I'm making sushi. Oh, woo. And then here we got half water from the squeezer. I'm gonna put it in there. And then the soy sauce to get the brown packet and just kind of fill it in there. Mix it in. It's brown, like soy sauce. It smells like Coca-Cola. Oh, now we're gonna be making the actual sushi. So I'm gonna get a little bit there. So we're gonna roll that up. Oh my gosh, look how adorable this is. All right, so there's that first. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and make all the rice ball here. This one, we're gonna be wrapping around this one. So I'm gonna peel that right off. We made this mold. Oh my gosh, how cute. This is the nori roll, little piece of sushi. Yes. Ooh. So we're gonna get half, oh wow guys, look, it's gelatin. So that's gonna go on top of this. Oh my gosh, guys, look at the little imprint. Wow. Oh my gosh, here's the second half. Wow, I'm pretty proud of myself. I did this. Like, I was a little worried that I wouldn't be able to do it. Now we're gonna get to the tuna. Tuna, tuna. Oh, smells so good. It's strawberry. Okay, ready? Push that right over, guys. This is fresh tuna, top choice tuna, fresh off the pier of Candy Lake. So if you're ever having a bad day, just get one of these and just, you know, it'll change your tuna. Look, I made that. I am so proud of myself. Look how adorable that is. This is the salmon roe that we're gonna be putting on there. All right, we're gonna get some more. I'm gonna try to fill this all in. I'm gonna be very, very careful. All right, so we plated our cute little sushi, candy sushis, and now we're gonna do a little taste test. Woohoo! I'm gonna taste the tuna, so let's take a taste. Tastes pretty good. Actually tastes like mochi, if you ever had mochi. All right, so I'm gonna dip the omelet sushi, which is the tamago. We're gonna dip it in the candy soy sauce that smell like coffee. Coke. Smell like, okay, so I dip that. Look how cute it looks like soy sauce on there. All right, so I'm gonna get a little bite. This one's a little different. It's like mochi, but the top tastes very much like a custard. Really good. So now I'm gonna taste the cute little handmade salmon roe. I'm gonna take a bite out of this. It tastes really good. It tastes like Laffy Taffy with mochi and then boba. That's what it tastes like. It's actually really good. Final thoughts. I just want to say aesthetically, the box is absolutely adorable. The instructions were excellent. They're very easy to read. I give it thumbs up. All right, guys. Well, this whole time, it makes me want some real sushi, so I'm headed out. Let's go, guys. Let's get some sushi. Can I grab hub sushi? Just kidding, I'm gonna go. Peace. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna buy like 10 of these just to eat by myself.